Ripple, ADA, and Sol are crashing hard way more than Bitcoin. But why? The White House just held its first ever crypto summit, and expectations were sky high. People thought we'd see a historic moment, but instead, we got disappointment. Did Trump just let the crypto world down? Or is this a strategic move that most people don't understand yet? Stick around, because in this video, we'll break down exactly what happened, why altcoins are falling harder than BTC, and what this means for your crypto investments. Drop a comment right now. Do you think the US should hold more altcoins, or is Bitcoin the only king? Leading up to the White House Crypto Summit, the hype was real. Trump had hinted at a US strategic crypto reserve. Imagine that, America officially holding XRP, ADA, Sol, and BTC in its financial system. But when the event ended, reality hit. Instead of a groundbreaking announcement, we got a promise of stablecoin legislation by August and some talk of lighter regulations. Investors were hoping for the moon, but instead, they got meh. XRP dropped 3.5%, falling to $2.40, down nearly 20% from its high earlier this week. ADA plunged over 5%, Sol lost 4%, now hovering around $138. Meanwhile, Bitcoin held stronger, dipping just 2.5% to $86,000. The altcoin bloodbath was real, but why did Bitcoin hold up better? We'll get into that next. Question for you: was this summit a massive letdown, or do you think it was just the beginning? Comment below. While altcoins were getting wrecked, Bitcoin held its ground. Why? Well, here's where things get interesting. Trump actually said it was foolish for the government to sell off its Bitcoin holdings. And then, he dropped a bombshell. Trump quote, "Never sell your Bitcoin." That's huge. If the US government holds Bitcoin, what happens next? Won't other countries follow? Imagine a world where major economies, China, Europe, even developing nations, start stockpiling Bitcoin like gold. This could be a massive catalyst for institutional adoption. Your take: is Bitcoin really digital gold, or will another crypto take its place? Let's debate in the comments. So, what happens next for XRP, ADA, and Sol? Can they bounce back, or is this just the beginning of more pain? Some analysts believe that if the US legitimizes Bitcoin as a reserve asset, institutions might start pouring money into the wider crypto ecosystem, boosting DeFi, stablecoins, and even NFTs. But there's a flip side. If Trump's crypto reserve was just hype, we might see traders lose faith in altcoins and shift their money back into BTC. What's your move? Are you holding, selling, or buying the dip? Drop a comment below. The White House Crypto Summit didn't bring fireworks, but it did prove one thing: the US government is finally taking crypto seriously. So, what's next? More regulations, more adoption, or an even bigger shakeup? Let's talk in the comments. Do you think Trump's crypto policies will help or hurt the market? Call to action: if you want to stay ahead of the game, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next deep dive video.